If you truly believe in the EV growth of India and a greener future, here is how Tata is building its EV ecosystem in India and how you can become an early investor in the Tata's EV ecosystem. First up, we have the India's largest EV manufacturer, which is Tata Motors. After the launch of vehicles like Tata Nexon EV and Tata Tigor EV, Tata has seen a whopping growth of 297%. Next up, we have Tata Power, which provides end-to-end charging infrastructure through their EV charging solutions, which allows you to charge your vehicle at home, shopping malls, petrol pumps, and even at offices. Now, these EVs commonly use lithium-ion batteries, which contains chemical like metal hydride, lithium-ion phosphate, and guess what? Tata Chemicals manufactures these batteries under their energy storage solution. Up next, these EVs are getting way more intelligent with the help of machine learning and systems like ADAS systems. Now, to improve road safety, ADAS will be a big thing in 4-5 years in India. With the help of TCS and Tata Elxsi, Tata is working on something big like this. At last, we are moving into the connected EV space where all these vehicles will be connected and will be interacting over the 5G network. Just last year, Airtel has announced a partnership with Tata Communications to bring the O-RAN network to the Indian market. And the best part, you can buy all these stocks as a basket, which is named as House of Tatas in the Smallcase app.